Hello, I'm Mariane Merkt from the Lexus Europe product team. I would like to take a few minutes to introduce the changes we have made to the new LS. Of course, the LS has a special role in Lexus. It has been our flagship sedan since our brand was launched back in 1989. And with every new generation, it has defined what Lexus aspires to. Today, that means brave design, Takumi craftsmanship, imaginative technology, and exhilarating performance. We launched the 5th generation LS in 2018. Using the new Lexus GAL platform, we transformed the dynamic performance. We introduced a revolutionary new multi-stage hybrid system which brought much enhanced driver rewards and greater performance. We raised safety levels too with the new Lexus Safety System Plus A. This included a roll-first steering assist function in the pre-collision system and a roll-first function in the front cross-traffic alert to signal the direction of approaching vehicles. And we designed a car that is rich in handcrafted detail. This year, we have done even more, focusing on further refinement. Driving quality, performance, technical excellence, ride comfort, functionality, connectivity, and design appeal have all been upgraded. The results reinforce the LS's flagship status and its position as a segment-defining luxury sedan. First, I would like to talk about how we have improved the ride quality and comfort. We have made the famous LS ride even smoother and more comfortable with changes to the tires and suspension. The tire sidewalls are less stiff, and the adaptive variable suspension has been re-engineered so the dampers perform even better on rough surfaces. What we have done to the AVS also brings better steering response and stability. The anti-roll bars have been adjusted too, made stiffer so the car has a better posture when cornering and closely follows the line the driver wants to take. It is not just about the mechanical elements, however. We have also looked at the comfort performance of the seats, adding extra padding to the cushions and setting the upholstery seams deeper to absorb vibration and allow the material to flex more easily. The focus for our performance improvements in the LS 500h is the multi-stage hybrid system, one of the most advanced developments to date in our hybrid technology. It creates the sensation of driving with a 10-speed transmission. Acceleration is sharper and more responsive, with even and rhythmic shifts with a more natural match between engine revs and the car's increasing speed. Now we have transformed the system's performance by increasing the role played by the lithium-ion hybrid battery. It's been re-engineered to give greater support to the electric motor, specifically in normal driving. That's when the driver is only putting moderate pressure on the accelerator, which is usually around 90% of the time at the wheel. Because the battery delivers more power to the motor, less effort is needed to make the LS go faster. There is a smoother, progressive acceleration, even with just a touch of the throttle, and lower G-forces, which adds to the comfort factor. Because the battery is doing more work, the V6 hybrid engine can run at lower revs, which means performance is even quieter. We have also improved the performance of the twin-turbo V6 powertrain in the petrol version of the LS 500 as well. Adjusting the shift pattern of the 10-speed automatic transmission has made acceleration more responsive and rewarding, and the parameters for controlling the engine's torque have been revised. This gives sharper yet smoother response when pulling away or accelerating back to cruising speeds. With the new LS, we are making parking even less stressful. In fact, we have made it fully automated. With the new advanced park system, just one touch of a switch is needed for a prompt, smooth, and safe maneuver into a series or parallel parking space. Cameras and sensors monitor the surroundings, detecting line markings, other vehicles, pedestrians, and any obstacles. Then the system controls everything required to park: steering, acceleration, gear shifts, and braking. More than that, it can even store the details of parking places you use regularly in its memory, recognizing home or office locations with or without line markings for even more convenience. In the cabin, we have made changes to improve the human-machine interface, making it easier for the driver to access information and operate controls while staying focused on the job of driving. Our latest multimedia system is controlled by this 12.3-inch touchscreen. It has been moved forward so that it's easier for the driver to read and operate. Connectivity has become a must-have for customers who want direct access to their apps, data and social media while on the move. The new LS allows for easy smartphone integration using Apple CarPlay or Android Auto, so you can control all functions using the multimedia screen. The multimedia package also enables simple, seamless over-the-air map updates for the navigation system. We have also added high-tech equipment features that make the job of driving easier and safer. All versions of the new LS can be specified with the BladeScan adaptive high beam system, which gives a deeper and wider spread of headlight illumination. There is also a new digital rear view mirror option, which displays real-time images from a rear-mounted camera. That means the driver gets a clear view without rear passengers blocking their sight line. The view is also clearer in night driving or bad weather, and an integrated washer system keeps the camera lens clean. The driver's all-round vision is also improved with a new pedestrian detection function in the 360-degree panoramic view monitor. Turning to design changes, the choice of paint finish and color has a big impact on the car's appearance. It's one of the first things you notice. This LS is in Sonic Platinum, one of our special finishes that has a particularly deep luster. But for the new LS, we have used advanced paint technology to create a new color option, Lunar Silver. With ultra-smooth and dense paint layers, it creates great light and shadow contrasts and a brilliant shine. Takumi craftsmanship is central to the quality of the LS's cabin. This is a new wood trim option, Laser Cut Special Ash Open Pore. A good example of how Lexus applies traditional Japanese aesthetics and craftsmanship to contemporary design. It's made by dyeing the wood black to bring out its rich grain pattern, then laser cutting the surface to expose the bright silver metal layer beneath. Classic waving and metalwork techniques, Nishijin and Haku, are brought together to create a very special look for the door panels and door handle surrounds. The main exterior design changes are at the front, where we have reshaped the bumper. There is also a new dark metallic finish for the signature spindle grille. You can see the headlight units are slimmer with triple projector LEDs. The daytime running lights sit beneath the headlights, arranged in a Lexus L motif that angles sharply into the pinch point of the spindle grille, adding to the dynamic visual impact. Small details can make a difference in perception, and you can see this in the small grills in the lower part of the bumper. By making them squarer in shape and moving them out towards the edge, we have emphasized the LS's width and ground-hugging look. The effect is even more noticeable on the LSF Sport, where they wrap around the corners of the bumper. These 20-inch alloy wheels are a new option for higher-grade models. For the F Sport, we have introduced a black finish for the front grille, wheels, and detailing in the rear light clusters. In conclusion, the new Lexus LS strengthens all the qualities that are central to our flagship sedan. Quiet refinement, superb performance, luxurious craftsmanship, and distinctive, brave Lexus design.